Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel Mom and Tea. This is where we show you everything about Talia and Mom's lifestyle. We'll cover everything: theme parks, parenting, fun activities, and also we talk a lot about parenting and having fun with your kids, and also a lot of hairstyles. Yes, hairstyles. And we do this for fun, and also we do this professionally because we love to create content. It's something that Talia loves, and I'm trying to help her build her interest. So it would be so nice if you follow this channel so that we can all grow together and connect, and would like to hear a lot of your opinions about videos, about our uploads. We would really love your constructive criticisms with love, please. And I love to read from you all. I would love to meet everybody, and we hope with time we can begin to organize some form of live event where we can get to share ideas, talk about parenting, and also I would love to get advices from people. Yes, nobody's an island. So right here on this video, I'm going to be showing you this favorite style that whenever I do it on Talia, people always appreciate it. So this is the crochet ponytail hairstyle, and I'm going to be leaving all the details about the product used right there in the comment in the description below this video, and also there will be linked to all our social media pages on the description. We really hope to connect with you on all platforms, and we hope to see more of you on our channel. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I would love to read your comments. I would love to see your like, and I hope you ring a bell so that you get notification every time we upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and please enjoy.